ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्तिः 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 पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम् वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम् मदीयः त्वदीयः we were having a doubt regarding that whether it is kriya visheshana or here and swakiyah parakiyah tvadiyah madiyah, all these are visheshanas, not kriya visheshana, not avyayapada, visheshanas like neelam utpalam, like that all these are visheshanas. This swakiya parakiya tvadiya, all these shabdas, the tvadiya shabda pratipadika is tat, tad shabda. Then madiya is asmat shabda. Bhavadiya shabda could be bhavan. Again tadiya shabda is tad shabda. That's all. For all these shabdas, the pratyaya is cha pratyaya. Swamiji mentions at least weekly once this sutra. Ayaneiya padakachagham pratyayadinam. Oh, sorry. This is the sutra. By this sutra, cha pratyaya comes. The cha has replaced by iya. This iya. Then asmat, in that asmat shabda replaced by mad by another sutra. I did not find that sutra, but asmat I'll write here. Asmat plus cha pratyaya. Asmad will be replaced by mad. Plus cha will be replaced by iya. Then madiya. Both will become madiya. Then supratyaya. As per suaujas amauchas tabhyambis, we will add that pratyas. Then madiyaha. Madiyaha, madiyo, madiyaha, madiyam, madiyo, madiyan. Like that it goes. We have to do naptra bhojanam pachyeta from here. Anusha?
The naptru ante manavdu amma, grandson.
Yes, yes.
Manavdu ఆహారం వండాలి
Aparna ji?
Natva bhojanam pachet. You want me to do that last?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Natva, having bowed down, Natva, is that how it is?
It is not Natva. No. It is not Natva. Naptra.
Oh, Naptra, sorry. Okay, okay. Naptra. What does Naptra mean?
Naptru is the Pratipadika. Naptru means grandson.
Oh, okay. For the grandson, bhojanam is being prepared. Not, yeah, for the grandson, bhojanam is being cooked.
Prabhaji?
She's not coming today.
Oh, okay.
Is it by the grandson, right?
Shirisha ji.
By the grandson.
Food is being cooked by the grandson.
Yes. Not cooked. Pachyeta is which linga, which lakara?
Vidhiling.
Kartari, that not Kartari, Karmani. Pacheta, that Karmani Prayoga, right?
Yeah, Bhava Karma. Yes. Vidhilinga, I thought.
Is it Bhava Karma?
Pachyeta is Vidhiling. Yes. What did you say?
I was using Lat Lakara. I said food is being cooked by grandson or.
But it is Vidhiling.
So, food should be cooked by grandson?
Yes. Next, Shivananji?
Savitra bhasyata. By sun. The shining is happening by sun.
Again here, Bhasyeta is which lakara?
Bhasyeta is Latlakaranam. Bhasyeta, okay. It is linga.
Vidhiling.
Yeah, Vidhiling. Okay. The shining should happen by sun.
Yes. Next, Uma Amma?
Drashtrabhihi chhatraha drishyante. The students are observed or seen by the observers or seers.
Next, Vijayaji?
Svashtra chatra vidatra cha jagat rachyate. Carpenter ఛాత్ర అంటే విద్యార్థి కదా.
Chatra. Where is Chatra? Dhatra.
Oh, sorry, Datra. Carpenter support to ఈశ్వరుడిని కార్పెంటర్ సపోర్ట్ మరియు ఈశ్వరుడిని
వాక్యం అర్థమైందా? ఈ వాక్యాలు ఏం వాక్యాలు? కర్మణి ప్రయోగం. త్వష్ట్రా which vibhakti? Tvashtra is which vibhakti?
ప్రథమ విభక్తి.
Others. Tvashtra is which vibhakti?
Tritiya.
Tritiya. All are Tritiya only. Tvashtra, Dhatra, Vidhatra. So far whatever has come, Gantra, Naptra, Savitra, all are Tritiya. Before coming to the class, at least what is the vibhakti, what is the dhatu, which lakara, at least these things you have to note down. Tvashtra, dhatra, vidhatra cha jagat rachyate. Carpenter dwara, dhatra means dhatru dwara, vidhatra vidhata mariyu vidhata dwara jagat rachinచబడింది means jagat సృష్టించబడింది. All other vakyas also should translate in this way. Not రచించబడింది, రచించబడుతుంది. రచ్యతే is lat. Okay, next. Anusha.
Punaji, for this Tvashtra can be somebody translated in English?
Tvashtra is carpenter.
By carpenter, by
carpenter.
by carpenter, by dhatra, by vidhata.
Dhatra means holder.
Holder. Okay. By holder, by
Vidhata
vidhata,
means creator.
creator. Okay.
By holder and by creator,
Creator,
Jagat has creating.
Jagat is created.
Has been
or
created.
has been
No, creating. Rachyate. Present tense.
is being created. Is created.
Dhatra here is also Brahma, right?
Yeah.
That's what.
Yes. We can take Brahma. What is given for Vidhata? Vidhata also they have might given.
Vidhata is Ishvara.
Okay. Then next one.
నేత్రా జనాః నియంతాం ప్రజల ద్వారా నేత్ర మీన్స్ నేత ఏమో నేత్రు
Yes.
నేతను నియమించబడుతుంది.
Niyantam is which form? What is the dhatu for Niyantam?
Ni.
నీ ధాతు
Ni dhatu. Lakara?
Lot.
Lot lakara. Yes. Lot lakara. Prathama
Dvitiya.
purusha. Bahuvachanam.
బహువచనం. ద్వితీయ వచనము ద్వితీయ కాదమ్మా బహువచనం అవుతుందమ్మా.
You tell me.
నియంతం అనేది ఓకే అమ్మా బహువచనం.
See, you are You know how to check the dhatus and shabdas and all. Just coming and sitting, not put forth any effort.
అమ్మా లోట్లకారాల బహువచన నియంతు అనుకున్నానమ్మా. దట్స్ వై ఐఎమ్
Okay. Netra janaha niyantam.
ప్రజల ద్వారా నియంతను నియమించబడుతుంది, నియమించబడాలి.
ప్రజలు నేత ద్వారా నియమించబడుతూ ఉన్నారు కాదు, నియంతం అనగా లీడ్ చేయబడుతూ ఉన్నారు, లీడ్ చేయబడాలి.
అంటే నియంత్రించబడాలమ్మా, అంటే
నియంత్రించడం కూడా కాదు.
Is it like people should be ruled by the leader?
Yes.
Led. Ruled.
Yeah, led by the leader.
లీడ్ చేయడం. I don't know తెలుగు. Okay, next one.
Yeah. In it is Nyatribhyascha data sevyate. Is that what it is for you also, Purnaji?
1 minute.
Okay.
What you are saying?
I'm just trying to say, okay, yeah. Nyatribhyascha data sevyate. By the knower, data, giver is no. Give data is served.
It's also one word, Shrotrabhihi.
Okay.
Where is Shrotrabhihi?
I
Jnatrabhischa data sevyate. All words, all sentences are same. Just take the data sevyate at the end, Jnatrabhihi.
There is Shrotrabhihi,
Okay.
Nyatrabhischa.
Shrotrabhihi is that then.
Shrotrabhi, okay.
Data sevyate. Giver
Data
is serving by stotra, one who is doing stuti and
Stuti
one who is
and
the knower.
knower.
Next one. Upendra ji.
Hari Om ma.
Yes. Can you do?
Dveshta tyajate.
Tyajyate.
Tyajate. Dveshta tyajate. ద్వేషించుబడిన వాడు విడవబడుతున్నాడు.
Dveshta, which vibhakti?
Dveshta, maybe Dveshta is Tritiya.
Tritiya.
Yeah.
Tritiya,
by the hater त्यज्यते
giving up by the dveshta. Whenever these such kind of vakyas comes, just put the kriya pada first, then at the end you keep the noun. It will be easy. If we want to translate from noun to kriya pada, it will be a little bit difficult. So first,
కర్మవాచ్యం అమ్మా ఇవి కర్మవాచ్యం అనుకుంటా అమ్మా ఇవి సెంటెన్స్.
yes, karma vachya is there, bhava vachya is also there.
ఓకే.
Next one.
భోక్తృభిః.
Shrisha ji.
భోజనం పచ్యతే.
भोक्तृभिः भोजनं भोक्तृभिः भोजनं पच्यते खाद्यते च.
What happened? We cannot hear you.
Oops, sorry. Food should be cooked and eaten by the bhoktas.
Bhokta means experiencer. Okay, next one, Shivanand ji.
बालकः उच्चैः रोदिति अरोदित् रोदितु रुद्यात् रोदिष्यति वा. The boy cries with the boy loudly cries. Is loudly crying. Roditu means crying only, no ma?
Yes.
Roditu should cry.
Arodit means what? Arodit means what?
Arodit means past tense. Is it correct, ma? Past tense. That is lut lakar, past tense. The boy should
not lut lakara. Lut lakara is not past tense. Lang lakara.
Sorry, lang lakara. The boy was crying loudly. Roditu, the boy should cry loudly. Rudhyat, Rodishyati, that is future tense. The boy will cry loudly. Rudhyat, Rudhyat.
Which lakara? Vidhiling.
Vidhiling. Okay.
What
Vidhiling.
meaning?
Again, the boy should cry. And the boy should cry loudly.
This is kartrivachya or karmavachya or bhavavachya. What kind of vakya it is?
Kartrivachya, right? So.
Kartrivachya. Yes. Next one. Uma amma?
बालकेन उच्चैः रुद्यते अरुद्यत Rudyatam, rudyeta, rodishyate. Loud crying is done by the boy. Loud crying was done by the boy. Loud crying should be done by the boy. Rudyeta and Rudyatam, Lot and Vidhi. May loud crying be done by the boy. That can be Rudyatam. And Rudyeta's loud crying should be done by the boy. And loud crying will be done by the boy. So that's it.
Next, Upendraji.
हरिओम माँ
Hmm.
तेरा द्वारा, मेरा द्वारा और उनके द्वारा हंसा जाता है। मेरे द्वारा मया
First one is what?
तेरे त्वम युष्मत् शब्दम तृतीया विभक्ति तेरे द्वारा त्वम युवाम यूयम त्वम युवम अम्मा युष्मत् शब्द I am not remembering अम्मा
Tvaya.
त्वया
Vaya.
त्वया मया त्वया मया उनके for this सह शब्द తీసుకోవాలమ్మా उनके द्वारा तेन तेन च हंसा जाता है जाता है हशिष्यन्ति अम्मा
Hasyate.
this is which lutlakara अम्मा
No, hasyate is latlakara.
lat only अच्छा अच्छा हस्यते ठीक है
Hasa jata hai means latlakara only, na?
Yes, Purnadi present.
Hasyate. But atmanepade we have to use.
हस्यते
In karmani vacha, so far we have seen they are using only atmanepade. But this is which vacha, karmani or bhave prayoga?
कर्म प्रयोग तृतीय and subject is in third
Bhava prayoga.
अच्छा
Hasyate, there is no karma in this.
okay
What is the
it
karma
doesn't
in this?
కర్మ లేదు అందువల్ల అకర్మక ధాతు అమ్మా ఇది
Akarmaka dhatu. Yes. Has is akarmaka dhatu.
అయితే
So it is
అన్ని
bhava.
అకర్మకాలు భావ ప్రయోగంలోకి వస్తాయమ్మా
Yes.
ఓకే ఓకే నేను ఈ మధ్య క్లాస్ కి రాకపోవటం వల్ల ఇది తెలియలేకపోయానమ్మా
అందుకే పాత వీడియోస్ అన్ని కూడా చూడండి. అలాగే డాక్యుమెంట్ లో అన్ని డీటెయిల్స్ ఉన్నాయి, అది ఒకసారి చూడండి. నెక్స్ట్
ఇంకోటమ్మా వన్ డౌట్ అమ్మా డాక్యుమెంట్ ఎవ్రీ డే యూ అప్డేట్ ఇట్ అండ్ వి గెట్ ఆల్ లేటెస్ట్ అప్డేట్ ఫ్రమ్ విచ్ ప్లేస్ ఎవ్రీ డే విల్ బి టైపింగ్ సంథింగ్
సేమ్
అది
డాక్యుమెంట్.
సేమ్ డాక్యుమెంట్ అంటే దట్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్లో డాక్యుమెంట్ అప్లోడ్ అయి ఉంటుందా
నో ఐ డోంట్ థింక్. ఓకే, యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ వి విల్ అప్డేట్.
ఓకే అమ్మా థ్యాంక్స్ అమ్మా
ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ వన్ విజయాజీ.
पुस्तक के कर्ता द्वारा ग्रंथ पढ़ा जाता है. पुस्तकेन विधातृ ग्रन्थं पठ्यते
पुस्तकस्य पुस्तके means षष्ठी विभक्ति पुस्तकस्य कर्ता द्वारा means तृतीया विभक्ति कर्त्रा कर्तृ शब्द ऋकारान्त कर्तृ शब्द तृतीया विभक्ति कर्त्रा पुस्तकस्य कर्त्रा ग्रन्थः पठ्यते because in karma vachaka the karta should be kartra is in tritiya karma is in prathama so grantha is karma so it is in prathama pathyate పుస్తకస్య కర్త్రా గ్రంథః పఠ్యతే పుస్తకం యొక్క కర్త ద్వారా గ్రంథం చదవబడుతుంది పుస్తకం యొక్క కర్త ద్వారా గ్రంథం చదవబడుతుంది
Granth
Next.
is in, I'm sorry, Granth is in Prathama or Dvitiya?
Prathama.
should be in prathama karma grantham here is karma so in karma vachaka karma should be in prathama
Okay, thank you.
you can look at the table in the document there which in which vachya which vachana vibhakti should be there all those details are there next Anusha
धन के हर्ता द्वारा धन ले जाया जाता है धनम धनग्राहकेन हृतं भवति धनम धनग्राहकेन
Okay,
हृतं
धन
भवति
in previous vakya pustak ke which vibhakti we have used there
षष्ठी
here dhan ke is there is it same or not
सेम
which vibhakti we should use here
षष्ठी धनस्य
dhanasya kartra dwara harta dwara which vibhakti
तृतीया
tritiya what is the tritiya harta harta means hartru shabda pratipadika is hartru what is the tritiya vibhakti ekavachanam
ऋकारान्तम् हर्ताम्
harta
Hartra.
हर्त्रा
all are same kartra hartra netra naptra okay what is the first pada
धनस्य हर्त्रा धनं भवति धनं ले
Dhanam.
जाया
dhanam is karma or any other thing which karaka dhanam
द्वितीया
karma karakam karma should be in which vibhakti in karma vachya
Prathama.
द्वितीया
Prathama.
prathama vibhakti what is the prathama vibhakti
Dhanaha.
Dhanam. It's Napumsak.
Dhanam.
Napumsak.
Dhanam. Next, Kriyapada. What is the Kriyapada?
भवति अन्नम जाया जाता है
లే ఎక్కడ పోవాలి? తెలుగు మీనింగ్ తీసుకెళ్ళబడుతుంది. తీసుకెళ్ళబడుతుంది అని అంటే నీయతే. నీ ధాతు ఆత్మనేపది నీయతే. కర్మవాచ్య, so we have to use ఆత్మనేపది ప్రత్యయాస్. నీయతే. Okay, next one. If you need Telugu, I can translate. You are not asking. I think you are understanding. How will I know? If you don't understand, you can ask me. I can translate into Telugu. What is the use of?
Okay.
Please don't waste the time. I already told you how Swamiji is using the time. Just saying the plus, don't say plus. Just Rama Su, Rama Plus, you by saying the plus, Swamiji says time is wasting. We are sitting in class every day. How we are using our time? Okay, next.
भार के धारण कर्ता द्वारा भार यहाँ लाया जाता है. भारस्य कर्ता भारम अत्र नीयते.
भारस्य
कर्ता,
not कर्ता, भर्त्रा.
भर्त्रा भारम अत्र नीयते.
आनयते.
Is it anayate or is it aniyate?
Aniyate is ang upasarga is used. Niyate. Let me check. Yes, aniyate is there. Anayate is also there. Same ni lakara. Ni dhatu. Ang upasarga purvak. Ni prapane. Anayate. Okay. Anayate is kartari prayoga. We are using karmani prayoga, sorry.
In Ashtadhyayi, I am not finding anayate with ni dhatu. I see a different dhatu. Maybe I am not looking in the right place.
Is that ni dhatu?
An dhatu.
An dhatu?
Yeah, but I may be not looking correctly. I'm not seeing. Anayate.
There is only one dhatu. Me prapane. That is a kartari prayoga. Now we need karmani prayoga. Yeah, here, anayate.
That is anayati, right? That kartari was anayati, or did I miss?
Atmanepadi, anayate.
Oh, there. Okay. That's what I missed. Okay, thank you.
But we need karmani prayoga.
Oh, aniyate, yes.
Aniyate. Yes. Next one. Next.
श्रोताओं के द्वारा श्रोताओं के द्वारा हंसा जाता है। श्रोत्रा हस्यते।
Yes.
Isn't
it is plural. It is plural. If it is plural, then how it goes?
श्रोत्रभिः हस्यते।
श्रोत्रभिः हस्यन्ते। हस्यन्ते। बहुवचन।
हस्यन्ते। Yeah, हस्यन्ते।
Next, Shivanand ji.
वक्ता के द्वारा भाषण दिया जाता है। वक्ता भाषण भाषिते भाषण भाष्यते भाषते और भाष्यते।
What is the karma there?
Karma is not there here. It is karma is not there. Or bhashana is karma.
Bhashana should be in which vibhakti?
So karta is in tritiya, bhashana should be in pratama vibhakti. That is bhashana.
Okay, bhashanam is napumsakalinga.
Okay, bhashanam, that should be in pratama vibhakti. Vaktra bhashanam dadate.
Bhashate.
Bhashanam bhashyate. Okay.
Bhashate.
Bhashate.
Next, Mama.
नाती के द्वारा गुरु की सेवा की जावे. I think this is lot lakar. So naptra gurum sevyatam.
Guru should be in which vibhakti?
That's right. Guruhu sevyatam.
Okay, next. Next one. Upendra ji.
सूर्य के द्वारा तपा जाए आदित्येन otherwise सूर्येण तप्यते सूर्येण तप्यते
Tapyetam. Savitra, not Suryena. Savitra is the Shabda. Savitra.
पवित्रा
Tapyetam.
तप्येताम्
Hmm.
ओके सूर्य सवित्री प्रेरक
Earlier one also. Vakta Bhashanam Bhashyate. Yakara should come there. Not Bhashate, Bhashyate. Karmani Prayoga. Next one.
This is tapyatam, right?
Tapyetam.
अध्येता के द्वारा 3 ग्रंथ पढ़े
Yeah, sorry. The previous one, if it is Karmani Prayoga, Savitra, is it Tapyatam or Tapyetam?
Yes, yes. Tapyetam. No,
Tapyetam.
not Tapyetam. Tapyetam.
Thank you.
Yes. Ekavachana. Next one.
अध्येतृ त्रया ग्रंथाः पठ्येताम्
Adhyetru should be in which vibhakti?
षष्ठी अध्येतृ
Tritiya. Adhyeta ke dwara means
अध्येता
Tritiya. Okay, I will tell you in Telugu. Chadive vaadi dwara 3 granthalu chadavabadali. Chadive vaadi dwara. Which vibhakti should come there?
तृतीया
What is the Tritiya vibhakti?
अध्येत्रा अध्येत्रा त्रयः ग्रन्थाः ग्रन्थम्
ग्रन्थाः बहुवचनं.
ग्रन्थ पठ्येत
पठ्यते. अध्येत्रा 3 ग्रन्थाः पठ्यते. Next one. Anusha.
Padhe jaye, what lakar is that? I thought it is lot or
Load,
let,
right?
yeah, let them be read. So
Patyetam.
Is it lot?
Patyetam, right?
Patyatam.
Patyetam.
Okay. Okay. Patyatam. Okay, next Anusha.
So I think the call dropped.
Okay, next. Aparna ji.
Okay. गांव को जाने वालों के द्वारा गांव को जाया जावे. ग्रामे गांव को जाने वालों के द्वारा ग्रामस्य नो गांव को ग्रामेण
So what is the meaning for गांव को जाने वालों?
That is
Okay,
gaon,
गांव को जा-
right? Gaon.
हाँ, गांव
people
को.
going to the village basically.
हाँ. What is the one word for that?
यात्री
Gantra. Gantra.
गंत्र गंत्र गंत्रभिः because it is bahuvachana गंत्रभिः.
So Gantrabihi means go, the one who is going. So गाँव को जाने वाला means ग्रामम गंत्रबिहि.
ग्रामं ग्रन्थिभिः.
ग्रामम गंत्रबिहि.
ग्रामं गंत्रभिः. ग्रामम गांव को जाया जावे. Then ग्रामम right, ग्रामम
ग्रामः.
को जाया. Okay, because here because ग्रामः आनीयत को जाया जावे. So me only, not right. Okay. So niyat.
It's gamyatam, right? It's gamyatam.
Gamyatam.
Okay.
Yes.
Gamyatam.
Next one.
Is what's the plural? Gramam. Is it plural? Gaon is in Prathama.
Which one?
So the previous word, gaon ko. So gaon ko is plural Prathama vibhakti of gramam.
Oh.
Is it gramani?
Is it plural or?
Yeah, it is plural.
People going, those who are going to villages. Okay. If it is plural, then gramani. Gramaha. No, not grama.
Yeah.
Gramani,
Yeah.
gramaha.
So it's pullinga shabda, right? Grama.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Graman. It should be Dvitiya Bahuvachanam. It's an object. Gramaniki.
But it is Prathama because it is karma vacha, right?
In this, the main karma is grama. Gramaha.
Yes. So gaon ko jaya jave, is that the karma pada?
Yes.
So that will be graman gamyatam. No, not gramaha gamyatam. Sorry, gramaha gamyatam. And then and gaon ko jane walo, there it will be gramam gantribihi.
Graman, gantribihi.
Gantribihi, gramaha gamyatam.
Gamyatam. Okay, thank you. Sorry.
Next one.
दर्शक के द्वारा दो छात्र देखे जाए. दृष्टा द्वि छात्रे दृश्येताम्.
It's Bahuvachanam, right? Darshak. Ekavachanam?
द्विवचनम, right? दर्शक के द्वारा is ekavachanam.
Okay.
दृष्टा द्विछात्रे दृश्येताम्.
not dvichatre, chatrau.
Okay. Okay. Chatrau drishyेताम्.
Drishyeta. Yes. Next one.
So one second, Punaji. So this will be
No.
drashtra, chatrau, drishyetan, right?
Yes. Because the dvivachanam is there kriya padam because it follows the karma. Next one.
नगर में बढ़ाई, नेता, दानी, दर्शक, श्रोता, द्वेषकर्ता, निर्माता, स्तुतिकर्ता, उपभोगकर्ता, ज्ञाता और बढ़ने वाले सभी लोग, पढ़ने वाले सभी लोग रहते हैं. नगरे नेत्रु, सॉरी, बढ़ाई, ओके. नगरे त्वष्ट्रु, नेत्रु,
Tvashtru, netru are what kind of shabdas are there? Which karaka is that? Which vibhakti should be there?
In city, netru, नेता, प्रथमा विभक्ति.
Tvashtru is pratipadika. Tvashta, neta. Prathama ekavachanam is tvashta, neta. I think we have not declined shabdas, so nobody looked at those shabdas.
Okay, ma. Neta. Okay, but I will minute, ma. Just a little time. Twasta, neta, for Dani. Dani data naam.
Yes.
Darshak.
Drashta.
Okay. Drashta, Shrota, Dveshkarta, Nirmata, Stutikarta.
Dveshkarta means who? What is the shabda?
Dveshkarta. Okay. Dveshkarta means Dveshta. Nirmata. Tota. Tota. Bhokta.
Upabhokta.
Upabhokta, Jnata, and Padne Wala.
Adhyeta.
Adhyeta, Sarvatra Santi.
Not Sarvatra Santi. Sarve Bhavitaraha. Sarve, they all are there. Means they all will be there. So it's future tense. Bhavitaraha. Bhavita, Bhavitaro, Bhavitaraha.
Rehte hai is past present tense. Log rehte hai is present. They are living. Yes, yes.
It is not future tense?
Yes, not future tense, present tense.
Okay. Then
all people.
Sarve Santi. you can use
सर्वे
sun.
So Purna ji, Nagar mein should be in 7th case, right? Nagarena.
Yes, nagare.
नगर
What did you say?
Nagare.
right?
नगरे I
Nagare
told.
only. Nagare only. Good.
Okay, I am.
वही सर्वे सर्वे ओके सर्वे सन्ति
All. Sabhi means survey.
means is there any vibhakti for that? No.
Yes. Sarva Shabda Prathama Bahuvachanam. Sarvah Sarvau Sarve. Sarvam Sarvau Sarvan. Prathama Bahuvachanam Sarve.
Okay.
Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om